Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised. And during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. However, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair. Because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Series 2, Episode 7, Online Course Creator. Earning potential $1,000 to $5,000 plus a month. With the rise of e-learning, there is a growing demand for online courses worldwide. By creating and selling courses, you can make money online, build a brand, and reach a global audience. Course creators can earn income from their digital products for years. As long as your content remains relevant and up-to-date, this remote work provides fairly passive income. Course creation falls into work-from-home jobs that let you set your own schedule. You can create and sell courses on topics that you care about, and work at your own pace. Thousands of course creators have made over $1 million a year from what they've created. If you work at it, add value, and scale it up, you could hit this milestone too. When choosing a topic for your course, it's important to choose something that you enjoy discussing and sharing. Think about your expertise, experience, and interests. It's important to understand your target audience and what they are looking for in a course. Consider factors such as their age, gender, education level, and interests too. Ensure that there's demand for your topic. Look on online forums, social media groups, and keyword research tools to see if people are actively searching for that topic. Once you have chosen your topic, it's time to plan your course. Start by defining your learning objectives. What do you want your students to be able to do after completing your course? Next, create a course outline. This should include the main topics and subtopics you will cover in your course. Think about how you'll teach the material. Will you use human, text, or interactive elements? Finally, decide what resources you will need, such as any software, equipment, or a team to help you with this remote job. Creating your course can be the most time-consuming part of the process. Depending on the topic and the length of your course, it could take anywhere from a few days to several months. Make sure it's engaging, informative, and easy to follow. You should also consider including assessments and quizzes to help your students retain the information. Once you have created your course, it's time to start marketing it. You can use a variety of marketing channels, including social media, email marketing, and free or paid advertising. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn are great places to promote your course. You can also create a landing page for it and run targeted ads on Google or social media platforms. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your offerings. Build an email list and send regular updates about your course to your students and subscribers. It's wise to have a platform to sell your course on. Podia, Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific are popular options. They provide tools for creating, selling, marketing, and payment processing. You can also sell your course on your website using a platform like WooCommerce or Shopify. Keep in mind that each platform has its own fee structure and requirements, so research beforehand. Gumroad and System are two incredibly useful platform options that you could use to sell your courses without spending money upfront for this part of the business. However, there's currently a one-time payment, lifetime deal available to have your very own white label, unlimited course site, with everything you need included, at 95% off, with OCH. When pricing your course, it's important to strike a balance between what's fair for you and what is affordable for your students. Research what similar courses are priced at. Consider the amount of time and effort you put into creating the course. Also, consider offering discounts or payment plans to make your course more accessible. Make sure your course offers plenty of value to your students. Provide them with actionable tips, real-life examples, and resources they can use in their daily lives. Create content that is unique and engaging, and make sure it's something your audience can't find elsewhere. Building a community around your course can help you attract and retain students. Encourage your students to interact with each other and with you. Create a private forum or online group where students can ask questions and share findings. Once you've launched your course, it's important to continuously improve it. Offer live Q&A sessions or webinars, listen to student feedback, and make changes to your course as needed. Updating your course content regularly keeps it relevant and up to date. This will help you build a loyal student base and also attract new students to your course or courses. Use customer testimonials, case studies, and reviews to demonstrate the value of your courses. Sharing success stories from your students on your website and social media channels helps too. Becoming a course creator, you get to share your knowledge and expertise with others, and help them achieve their goals. This can be a very fulfilling and rewarding experience. Make sure you check out the description below for further details and the links to everything mentioned in this episode. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.